Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ashifa Warahma and this is my video presentation analyzing a TOEFL listening part C lecture. My task was to choose one academic lecture segment from the assignment video and break down its structure, main points, and how the question relates directly to the spoken content. For this analysis, I have the conversation segment titled The Library Policy on the Returns. Part 1, the lecture summary. First, let's look at the conversation as a whole. The main topic for this entry segment is query, library policy, regathering funds, and book loan renewals. This main topic was supported by several case ID. Throughout the discussion, I have identified 4 major subpoints. KID 1, Policy Illustration and Fine Imposition. The conversation began by discussing the student failed to return all borrowed books because one book was left at home. Consequently, the officer imposed a fine on the student account in accordance with library policy. KID 2, Denial of Fine Reduction. Midway through the lecture, they shifted to cover reversal of fine mitigation, although the student pleaded for leniency due to oversight. The officer refused to waive the fine, emphasizing the high must as according to established guidelines. KID 3, Fine Reduction and Warning on Delay. They also dedicate time to option for the official provide a solution that the fine could be lowered if the forgotten book is returned with a reasonable time, but the officer also warned that the fine will continue to increase if the return is delayed. KID 4, Condition and Procedure for Loan Renewal. Finally, the lecture concluded with a discussion on the library allows a maximum of 2 renewals for a book loan. The renewal is conditional. It is only possible if no other borrower has reserved the book and the student can perform the renewal online or directly at the library. Part 2, Question Breakdown. Now, I will break down each question that followed the conversation and identify the exact source where the answer was stated by the librarian. Question 1. What is the conversation mainly about? Correct answer. The student returning 2 out of 3 books. The key evidence for this answer came from the librarian who said, okay, it seems that you are returning 2 out of 3 of the book. That's weird. Check it out to you. This is the direct cause that makes this answer correct. Question 2. Why does the student have to pay a fine? Correct answer D. The student returned the books late. I found the source of this information here. Since you did not return all of the books, there will be a charge placed on your account. That is how your policy works. Question 3. Is it possible to waive off this fine? Correct answer B. No, it is against the library policy. This answer is directly supported by the librarian's statement, but I am sorry to say that I am unable to dismiss the fine. We are required to act in accordance with a predetermined set of guidelines. Question 4. Why does the library say? Correct answer D. She wants the student to return books when they are done with them. The key evidence for this answer, you can in fact do another year out of your books. Nevertheless, This is contained on the bank's page available, and you will only be able to renew them if no one else has put a hold on them. Students should hard books unnecessarily. Question 5. Why does the librarian say to the student to be careful? Correct answer B. She is concerned about this child's behavior. The librarian asserted by providing the answer, just inform us and we will take care of renewing them for you, but be careful with the other books you take from us. In conclusion, analyzing this TOEFL lecture segment show how closely the test questions are tied to specific piece of information or structure within the lecture. Being able to quickly identify the library policies regarding fees and book loan renewals and locate the direct score or quotes is crucial for success on the TOEFL listening section. Thank you for watching my analysis. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.